Good morning, students. Today I explain a scatter chart which can be created using rand function. That is using some random values. Before this I have discussed about two types of scatter chart. So today I am going to discuss a new type of scatter chart which can be created. Okay, beta? So now see what is the type of this chart. Here I am using some random values. Okay, random values means different types of values can be taken randomly, not fixed. So random values for HT and WT can be taken here. For this, two statements are here. HT is equal to np dot random dot random, and second WT is equal to np dot random dot random, and in bracket I have passed 10. It means 10 values randomly will be taken. Random value meaning, what is the meaning of random value? This can be known just by looking its output. So see its output. Now this time one output is there. You see this output. Okay. Now same program I am going to execute. After this you will get a different output. Have you got, beta? Output is different. Now the program which is selected, output is different, which you are watching, that was previously. Previous program, that is previous output and new output, both are different, but program is same. Main thing is this, program is same, but output is different. Why? What is the reason behind it? Actually because of random function. This random function can be used to take some random values. Okay, beta? So random values, as I told you, that random values are not fixed. That is always result will not be same. Always result will be different when you use random function. This function which I have selected. Whenever you will use this function, values will be changed. So again I execute this program. Try to understand. Now you can see different output. Again you can see different output. Again you can see different output. Okay. So from so many outputs you have got what is the meaning of random value. That is some different value. Random function is of random module of, or you can say random library of NP, that is NumPy. This is the random is a module in NumPy and its random function is used. So here NP from NumPy, a module, random and random is a function. Okay, these values are used. Remaining values, you know what is the purpose of scatter. Scatter is a function. HTWT are the values of height and weight. C for color, marker for the values which you are going to display. If I change marker value, suppose I write here S, then squares will be there. Okay, so this can be changed, and value of S is equal to, this S is for size. This S which I have selected, this is for size. If I change its size, you can see random values, random squares of different sizes. Okay, and height and weight, these are the X level values. Which are these? This is height, horizontal side में आप देखिए, this is height, ये height है, and this is vertical side, this is weight. Okay, so this is very simple scatter chart based on some random values. Okay, now next program of chart which I am going to explain, that is to print a pattern. That is, we want to print a pattern using scatter graph. So how this can be performed? See next program, beta. which I am going to open. Now see this, it is very different program. This will not be in, you cannot find this program in any book. It is very new program. Here what is the pattern? Which pattern will be displayed using this program code? To see that, first of all we want to execute this program. So firstly I execute this program. So here in this you are getting a triangle like this. इस तरह से आपको एक ट्राइंगल मिल रहा है, देख रहे हैं बेटा? तो ये ट्राइंगल है. दिस ट्राइंगल कैन बी प्रिंटेड यूजिंग दिस प्रोग्राम. एंड हाउ we can write program for this? Try to understand here. Here I have used two loops. This is outer loop and second one is inner loop I have used. Okay beta, using these loops this time you can see value of j is 1 and value of I is 1. Okay, so value of j is 1, I is 1, that is a coordinate 1 comma 1 will be here at this first triangle. Lowest triangle you can see, this is its location is 1 comma 1. So because of this 1 comma 1 the lowest triangle will be displayed. Okay, next time value of j will start from 1 but value of I will be 2 because value of outer loop will be increased. So according to increased value of outer loop, j loop will move from 1 to 2. So starting value of j is 1 and 1 and next value is 1 comma 2. So here in the second line it will print 1 comma 2 and then 2 comma 2. Okay, these values will be printed. Okay beta. Similarly, other values will be printed using this programming code. Okay, so now you can print this pattern. If we want to change shapes of this pattern, we can write here like if I write a square, these triangles will be changed in square, and color if you want to change, B can be changed to R. Now its color will be red. Okay, and finally you use plt.draw. So these two functions I explained in today's class. Okay, so today I explained these two programs. So now you have got what is the meaning of these two programs, and apart from these programs I gave some questions which are from CBSE sample paper. Okay, some questions I gave in my class. So those questions you can find from WhatsApp. Okay beta, in WhatsApp I sent those questions, I told their answers also. If you are not able to get the answers of those questions which I have given, you can ask. First of all, it is assignment for you. Read those questions which I have given for your assignment in WhatsApp. So first of all you read those questions, after that I will discuss. Okay beta. Now this is for these two programs which I discussed today. Now I close this video. Thanks for watching.